Okay, hello, and this is Miss Bryant. I wanted to come and clear up any problems. I do need to apologize. There was an error on my part concerning the Google's traits slide on the character traits. I thought I had opened up the Google Classroom to allow students to add posts and comments, but I did not. So I know you've been really working hard on your Google slide of your character trait. And I want to make sure everyone has an opportunity to be able to post their work. So I just wanted to spend a few minutes going over the steps of how you'll be able to do that. So we've been talking about character traits. And so instead of using the characters from the book, I wanted you to turn around and use those same skills on yourself. So I wanted you to take a minute, think about your personality, your character, and what character traits do you recognize in yourself. So then you would use your organizer to list some character traits that describe you. And then you think about to give evidence of those traits from your life. So for instance, if you put that you are talented as one of your traits, then of course you will use an example that shows your talent in your life. Meaning if you were in a talented art class or you participated in talented drama or these types of things, you see rewards, you acted in outside of the school, you had parts in different plays or things throughout the city, those sorts of things. So you're trying to take what you're learning in the reading and then also reflect it on your life. So once you come up with the ideas and you've had a chance to view the sample here, and I know she colored hers in, but we're actually using the Google Slides. But you can see how she's put talented. She's good. She's on a gymnastics team. Uh, she puts smart. I read a lot. Maybe you've been on the honor roll all year. So those sorts of things. So once you had in mind what you wanted to do, the next step was to then open up the organizer. Remember, it says to be sure that you make a copy. You can only view the traits Google slide. You will need to go to file and then make a copy. So you would click on it. It opens up. Again, you see it says view only. So you're going to go to file and you're going to select make a copy. And then you'll name it. And I'm using my son's account now. So I'll just label that using his name. I can type out of caps. And then you notice it's going in your drive, and then you'll simply need to hit OK. So now your actual copy will open. This is the one that you're able to type in. So remember, you will need to add your name. You can't erase profile name. So the directions were to just come right behind where it says name. This is kind of slow. Right after name, you could just space or click over, and then you will type your name. And you have a picture, you click here, you're able to remove that, go in, get a picture, an image that you may have, and I don't have one of him. Let's just see if we find something. Let's just say, let's just say books. Let's find a book. Okay, so if I just wanted to use this picture and then size it. So like I said, you would find, you should have a picture that you have and you can upload it and you would place it here. And we could actually take this one, get rid of it, and then you would put your picture on top. I don't have a picture of my son right now, but just showing you the steps that you could use. So you'll be able to type in your name, put in your picture, think of those traits that you want to use to describe yourself. What's the actual trait? It will go here. And then what evidence do you have goes here. So you know that it's already been saving it for you and it's going to be in your drive. So I can close this. And when I'm ready, I'm finished with it and I want to share it to the class. So you go to the very top and it says share something with your class. So you want to click here and just to type your name because it needs to have something in this box in order to work. And go to the drive and it should be under recent. There it is right there. You want the one that you've named because the other one, this one would be blank. So you want the one that you've named, it's yours. Click it, click add, and you see it's here, and then you simply will just need to hit post. And then your work will be here on the Google Stream. So please, really anxious, excited. I want to see what everyone's organizer looks like. Your other classmates are waiting to see your organizer. So make sure you get that completed. Follow the steps to get it posted to the wall. And then you'll be able to view your classmates' slides, and you'll also be able to give a comment. And remember, your comments should be respectful and they should be appropriate to what we're doing. So you can give a comment on your classmates and their work. Okay, so thank you, and let's go ahead and get that done.